So in this Easil tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to download as a PNG file here on Easil. So once you've opened up Easil on your device, what I want you to do is to first off save your design. So if you want your design to look like this, so I have a red background. If I wanted to maybe add, I'll go to elements here. Maybe wanted to add a border to this to make it a little bit different looking. I'll just add a border just like this. Just to add some stuff to my design, just like this. How about? I'm almost done, and perfect. So this is my masterpiece. If I wanted to save this as a PNG file, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the top right hand side of your screen, press on the download button right here. Then for me, actually, it does have PDF set as by default, but if you simply just go above and press on PNG file right here, and then go to the bottom right and press on download, it is now going to save this file as a PNG file on your laptop or your device. So fairly straightforward, but that is how to download as a PNG file here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.